Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be recording my most requested video, and that is my skincare routine. So I'm going to split it up into two videos. I'm going to do my morning skincare routine now, and then in another video I'll do my evening skincare routine. And I'm going to list everything that I'm talking about. I'm going to list it in the description bar, and I will also list some other stuff. So if you want more information, just look in the description bar, and you should find everything that you need to know. If not, please feel free to ask questions, and I'll answer any questions that you have. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I do, of course, in the morning is wash my face. So usually I don't have any makeup on my face, of course, because you take that off at night. So the one thing I do feel on my face is my nighttime moisturizer. But the first thing that I use is this face wash right here, and it's by Murad, and it's an Essential C cleanser. I've used plenty of Murad products, and I got this from Sephora, and it works really well. And so that's what I clean my face. So the first step is you're going to wash your face, and this is what I wash my face with: Murad Essential C cleanser. All right, step 2, you guys should know this, is right after I use that, I use my ROC daily resurfacing discs, and I've showed you just so you guys know I use them. There you go. And I use it. These are gentle enough and work well enough that you can use it after your face wash. So number 2 is my resurfacing discs by ROC. All right, so that happens in the shower, so my face is clean. And the next thing I do is I put on my eye cream. So the one I'm using right now is by IT Cosmetics, and it is the Bye Bye Under Eye. And it actually works really well. It's super, I don't know if you can see that. It's blue tinted. It's super moisturizing. I have dry under eyes, so I wanted something that was really moisturizing, and it's a little bit thicker, but it soaks into your under eyes really well. It says smooths, brightens, and depuffs. Yeah, so that's what that does. So yeah, so that's step number 3 is my eye cream. Then I go in with my IT Cosmetics Feel the Moment Anti-Aging Serum. So you guys have seen me use this, and this is an oil. It's thick. I love it, especially for, I don't know if you, let me see. You see how thick that is? It's like in dropper. So I love it, especially during the winter time, because I do tend to have drier skin, even though I have a little bit of an oily T-zone or right here. It still works really well. After I do my makeup, I just powder this a little bit, and you're good to go. So serum, then you use a moisturizer. I know it seems like a lot, but you got your serum. If you just wanted to use your serum and then go into your makeup routine, you can absolutely do that. But it is winter time. You want to be moisturized, and I use this moisturizer by Drunk Elephant, and gosh, a little bit goes a long way. This is probably one of the best moisturizers, and it's called Lala Retro Whipped Cream. So it's actually, if you look on the Sephora website, it's one of their best sellers. And I got this either in my Sephora or my Allure box, and it's such a nice size, and Drunk Elephant is so expensive. So it was really nice to get this. So I've just been using this and it works really well. And the last thing that I do is, you can't forget your lips. I put on my Grande Lips, and it's like the pen. You've seen me use this. I put it on before I do my makeup as well, and it's a hydrating lip plumper. So I just put that on, and it's got hyaluronic acid, so it's also good for your lips. And that's how I finish off my morning skincare. So I'm refreshed and I'm either ready to hang out at home or I'm ready to put on my makeup. So I hope you've enjoyed this skincare video. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. What I will do is, if you've noticed that I don't use like just all Murad products or all one name brand products. Some of these I've purchased at either Ulta or Sephora, and then some I've gotten in my Allure or Sephora boxes. So those are great things to do. But what I'm going to do is, how I got started previously is I would buy from like Ulta or Sephora, I would buy like starter skincare sets, and they're an affordable way of getting started on your skincare journey. So I'm going to find a couple things that you may be interested in, and I'll link them below. So if you want to check those out, bottom line is, do something. Okay, it's, you know, it doesn't matter if it's drugstore or if it's high end. The thing is you have to do something. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.